Let's check out the costing of a baked Dijon salmon with serving for 4 people using Cost Bucket. With Cost Bucket, you can easily track the cost of making meals or baked products. The key is to start by breaking down the ingredient purchase cost to the unit cost. For example, the bowl and basket plain breadcrumbs contains 15 ounces and cost $1.50 per box. This is equivalent to 10 cents per ounce. We can then look at the meal being made. For example, the baked Dijon salmon, which is sold for $15.99 and costs $4.56 to make. To add ingredients, select the component, then select the usage unit of measurement, that is, the way in which it is consumed, then input the usage quantity and click Add. For example, we are adding the salmon which the restaurant buys by the pound and consumed by the ounces. The 16 ounces are calculated and processed into the cost of the meal per person. Notice that we have yield showing as 4 where this recipe being used is calculated based on the number of servings per the ingredients being used. Once you have completed adding all the ingredients and input the yield, you will get the cost per serving. It is also possible to also assign labor and overhead cost to get a total meal cost. Going forward, whenever you process your supplier invoices in Cost Bucket, the software will automatically recalculate the per unit cost of the ingredients or components and recalculate the cost of the meal. Sign up now on costbucket.com and follow us on Instagram at CostBucket.